Welcome back to a new series on the channel, and this one we've got Cold War Zombies. It'll be myself, RF80 Jacob, normal one Zach. So we'll just pretty much see where this takes us. We've never played zombies before. Well, as you can tell by our levels, we've played multiplayer before. If you want to see multiplayer videos, let us know in the comments. We're sure down to. And should we just get into zombies? Killing some zombies?
Yep, sounds good.
So featured the Maschine Endless. Let's go. Let's go.
Poland.
Arriving at Alpha site. You're clear, strike team.
This is where it started, strike team.
Oh, this is a different. This isn't the gun I use, but oh. Where are the zombies?
Oh yeah.
Oh my word.
Ah.
Oh. Wait, there was some in there. I don't know what it was. Oh, zombie. Another zombie. Oh.
This is quite the Charlie Foxtrot. Fancy experiment. Dimensional gateways. The
Major Carver.
Shit, it must be Christmas. We should buy lottery tickets.
Sources say this place is ground zero. What's happening around the world right now? It all started here.
Oh, we can't get on the tank.
Team, find a way in.
Wait.
We need to find a way in.
Oh, I can't
Yeah,
get
go
in.
up here.
Wait, I hear zombies.
Zombies.
Oh,
Yeah,
try and
yeah.
save your ammo.
How do you get up here?
Oh, my screen just went white.
Same man does. We need to find a way to get in somehow.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh no, I thought I could jump through.
Oh.
Oh, I see zombies. Come get it. You know you want it. Oh, zombies behind me. Oh, what? Zombies are coming in through here?
There's zombies everywhere. How do we get in?
I'm not sure. We just need to focus on killing the zombies first. Yeah, have that.
Draco just punched it to death.
I'm going to go and have a boxing match. Go on, have it. You want it, don't you? You want it, you. Just get our fists out. Yeah, yeah. Oh. A Semtex.
Oh, bonus points.
Bonus points.
How do we get inside?
I'm not sure, Zach. Episode 1 is a learning curve. Oh, build equipment and support. I can
How do you build
purchase
equipment?
a
How do you do that?
I don't know, I'm here somewhere. I purchased something. Oh, nice.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I assume we'll be able to unlock this place or something. Oh, get away from my
zombies.
Have that.
Oh, he's coming from everywhere. They're behind us.
Behind us? Oh my word.
Ah!
Chuck a bomb. Oh, bombs seem like the way to move forward, boys.
They're here.
Zach,
Yep,
I
Zach
think
can
they're everywhere. Wait, I want to know what this is. Oh my word. Oh! Double points. Oh, there's a scoring system.
Oh, I've got something here. Oh, what the?
Oh.
What is happening here?
Oh,
Look what I just chucked down.
looks like an octopus. Not an octopus. Not. What am I trying to think of? A thing that stings you on the beach.
Oh,
A
I know what you
jellyfish.
mean. Yeah, jellyfish.
Oh, this zombie just
Margaret.
appeared from nowhere. Have it! Come on.
Oh, he's jumped in.
I'm afraid that I'm running out of ammo. Oh!
Is it
Punch him
ammo?
to death when you run out of ammo.
There's an ammo
Oh!
box over here.
Wait,
There's
I
an
might
ammo
die
box.
here. Oh no.
Same.
Where's the ammo box?
So this big box here, you have to pay 250, whatever.
I mean, oh wait, I think you might have just bought my ammo or something. My ammo's just gone up. Oh, so many zombies here. I'm injecting myself.
Oh, what's this? There's like
There's
a
a skull.
skull.
Oh crap! Insta kill. I've got insta kill.
Yeah,
Assume that
same.
means instant kill. What else can you buy from this then?
Where do you buy ammo?
Yeah. You refill your ammo box.
Where do you refill up?
Over there, Zach. It's not hard.
This
there's a
table?
Box here.
Wait, wait,
Zach.
what's this? I've got another stim
Can you
shot.
not see? Zach. Mate.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Oh, boys, I'm dead.
You,
I can still shoot the zombies.
Jake,
I need help, boys.
how do I revive you?
I'm not sure.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh dear, mate.
Jake.
Oh no.
Jake.
Oh, Zach.
Jake.
Help
You
me.
can still shoot.
Yeah, I know.
Help.
Zach,
survive.
I know. Oh, we're awful at this.
Ah.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. Gosh, we're awful. About to fully die.
Same.
I'm dead. Time to spectate RF. Come on, Jacob, get those fists out. Oh,
Oh, I'm dead. Go on, Jacob. Get the fists out, lad.
Jacob, chuck your grenades or something. Oh.
Are they dancing? It's a boogie bomb. Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
gosh. That gave me a heart attack. Oh, I'm back.
Oh, I'm alive.
Let's go.
I've got a 7 in the top of the back of the screen or something though. I'm not really sure
Oh,
what
guys,
that
look.
means.
I'm placing the things back
Oh.
again.
Why have you placed it here?
Because the zombies spawn here. Yeah.
Oh, something. C4. I got a C4. Wait, I swear zombies. Oh!
Ah!
Right,
No,
Zach.
that gave me a heart
Zach,
attack.
no need to give people, like, damage their ears. Oh. Why is there so many zombies, man? I think we're a lot better at multiplayer than this so far. Practice makes perfect, though. By episode 3, we'll be beasts. Oh, boys, there's something here. I've got a nuke.
I got nuke. Nuke.
There's an 8 in my screen. Oh, boys, the door's opened here.
Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, it
Oh.
says arrow up here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
So I think we need to like kill
Oh.
people to get up
This
there.
guy's had a painful death. Oh my gosh.
Shoot him in the balls.
Oh my, this guy's arm's being ripped off. Oh!
Oh,
crap.
zombies.
I feel like this guy's carrying us.
Ah, it's fine.
I need to keep following the arrows.
It's too dark
Wait.
in here.
Boys, I planted an explosive.
Zach,
Oh
get your
no.
torch out.
I'm dead.
How do you get a torch out?
I just.
Zach, how are you dead down there?
How did you guys get up?
Up the stairs?
Follow
Oh,
the-
Jacob. Oh no, look how many zombies there are.
Yeah, all those zombies killed me. I didn't
Oh, I've
realise how you
escaped.
guys went up.
I'm out. I'm out the building. Jacob, come out here. We can like shoot them from here. I'm just hitting prey here. Spray and pray.
I need to find another ammo bottle.
Oh my! I don't know if I can go back and save Zach.
Yeah, there's a new gun over here.
Is there? Where?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. Wait, I have to buy it.
Behind you, behind you. Oh,
Oh, oh! Wait, I bought it. But... Wait, oh, it's... Wait, oh, I don't like this gun.
I know, it's a bit dead.
Uh-uh.
You can, if you click Y, you can change back to yours.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get the high
Oh,
ground.
I'm alive again. I'm alive again.
Nice. Wait, the arrow points down here. I think we have to go down here, maybe?
Yeah,
Wait,
go, go, go. I'm
oh no,
following you.
boys, we have to get in here somehow. I planted an explosive. Run away, run away, run away!
Run
Oh,
away. Go.
Let's go. Oh,
Go in here. Go in here.
oh
Please go down
crap!
here.
Oh, these have got a lot of health. Boys, I'm running out of ammo. I'm out of ammo, boys. Oh. What's this?
Oh, behind us, boys, behind us. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, no. Boys, use your bombs. Your grenades, rather.
Don't have any
Oh.
bombs.
Oh, no. I'm getting out of here.
I've run out of ammo.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
boys,
die.
come back out to the top.
I ran out of ammo.
You can
so
refill
I
your ammo
died.
up here, boys.
Yeah, I died. So
Yeah.
I ran out of ammo.
What, are you both dead?
No, I'm alive.
Alright, Jacob out. I think it's about playing tactically, not just rushing in for kills. Oh gosh.
My plays are making sounds like when they're hungry on Raft.
Gonna place... Oh, I've placed something down there. I'm not sure what it was. Oh.
I'm spectating you, Drake.
Jesus.
Ooh. Oh, to be fair, this gun one-shots here. One-shots the zombies.
Yeah. Not
Go on, Drake. Go
Right,
down the hole.
Jacob, let's go back. Let's go back down.
the other side.
Jacob. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Get in the hole.
Right, Zach, we get it. Oh, my guns. Oh, there's still a few
My dead
zombies.
body's down there.
Is it? Wait, is this Zach? Oh no!
No,
Oh,
I'm
what on
further
earth is
down.
this? That is not
Jake,
human.
I'm way further down. I'm right down at the bottom.
Wait, I don't know where I've gone. Oh, there's
That's
another
me.
gun
Oh,
here,
no, that's not
Jacob.
me.
There's another gun.
Jake, turn around. I'm behind.
Oh, oh my word! Oh, I actually got a heart
Bloody
attack then. Oh, you need to you can refill your ammo if you need it, Jacob.
Yeah, I think that's my
Yeah, I've
blood.
got an assault
Ah.
rifle.
I'm
That's
not,
exactly
I'm
where
not
I
even sure where
died.
you are. Wait, was this ammo?
I'm on to like the next level thing.
Oh, I'm alive.
Wait, where?
Next.
All right.
Ice, water. Back outside again, which I like 'cause it's too dark in there.
Oh, you back alive? Oh, nice.
Oh, it's some like, health drink over here, like a...
Boys, there's a marker thing over here. Well, I'm not sure where like we're supposed to be going.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wait, there's a gun. I don't know if I want to get rid of my shotgun thing though. It's actually all right.
Is your new gun? Where's the new gun?
No, I mean I'm on about like the shotgun we got before.
Oh.
I think the new gun's the assault rifle you got. Or you were on about.
Yeah.
Oh my!
Oh, my screen's white.
Wait, can we jump over this? We can't, but zombies can. How's that fair? Do I want this gun?
It's fine, Jacob.
I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take it. Screw it.
What gun is it?
It's a burst assault rifle. It's actually alright, to be fair. Oh,
From behind.
armour? Armour's always helpful.
Oh, I'm down. Is someone at least on the feet?
I'm on my feet.
Jacob.
Zach, this is not appropriate.
Boys, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm gonna die.
Oh no, Jake, you need to survive.
I'm dead.
Oh,
I got
no.
cornered. I got circled up. But you can shoot them with your guns.
Come on, Jacob.
Help our teammate.
Come on, Jacob.
Where are you?
Oh,
Hey.
fun.
Wait, this guy's a beast. Oh my word.
Did you see that?
Wait, someone just revive me. What's that? Jacob's gonna die.
Jacob,
Zach.
where have you gone? Oh,
Zach.
sorry, Jacob.
Zach, I'm alive.
Oh.
There we are.
Boys, we need to go. The raid. Wait, I don't know where we're supposed to be going. Where are the
We need to kill the rest of the
arrows?
zombies, I'm guessing. Yeah, we need to kill the rest
Oh
of the
crap!
zombies.
Yeah. Wait, something. Oh, it's a bloody green bomb thing.
Oh.
Oh, this is already getting a lot harder.
Guys, whatever you do, don't get into a corner.
Oh, oh. Could
Yeah,
have said that a bit
oh, sorry,
earlier.
Zach.
Boys, I'm dead over here. If you... Zach,
I'm going to try and revive you. Where have you gone? Where
I'm
are
here,
you?
Zach, I'm here.
Where's here?
Like, right in front of you. Oh, Zach. Hold it. Oh.
Hi, Jake.
Hello. No. Oh. Oh, we died.
Oh.
We survived 10
We survived
rounds.
10 rounds.
That's alright.
Yeah. There's. Oh. I can first. Let's go.